Instagram's showing only old post problem. So if you've been trying to open up Instagram but it's only showing you some of the older posts that you've already seen and it is not refreshing the app. Now this could sometimes be happening due to a slow internet connection, and that's why Instagram app is not refreshing. So if you have your Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and ensure that both of these functions are working just fine. Then after you've made sure of that, what you also want to check is you can just try to refresh the app manually like this by swiping down, and that way most likely it will help you solve the problem. You can check for a custom post. If you tap the Instagram logo from the top left, there you can see following and favorites. So it could be that you might have only set it to favorites, so you're only seeing people or the post from those favorite people. So you can instead try to change it to following to be able to see a list of reels or posts that your followings has actually posted. Now what we can do is go to your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type in Instagram, check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.